How's it going, everybody? I am doing I guess it's called, why is this thing funny? I guess it's called an unboxing, maybe? Yeah, that's it, I'm sure. Let's see if I can do this without, it should be clear, I guess. I mean, I know it'll be clear, but it should be good enough. So this is a laser wood engraver that I bought. It's at an angle, hang on. I'm being OCD now. I'm just setting the GoPro on top of the tripod. So this is a laser wood engraver that was, I gotta look up the price for the video. It's 200, like total. Oh, this isn't for me. Is that for me? Oh, good. So total, it was like $259 with an air pump that was extra. I know nothing about laser wood engraving, but I want to find out about it and try it. This cheap $200 one recommended an air pump because I guess you can etch wood. This is so new to me. I don't know anything about it. So if you're thinking about doing this, I'll leave the product details under the YouTube video, like specifically what kind of machine it is. But it was $259 maybe on sale. I don't know, Prime Day or something. And it was like $199, and it's 10 watts, by the way. It was $199, I think, and then $59 or $49 for an air pump. And the pump is to keep the laser mechanism cool, because it can etch, but it can cut through half an inch of wood. It was millimeters, but I think it was close to like half an inch. It can cut through it, so you see like somebody's last name and it's cut out in cursive, and it's a piece of wood and everything. That's how they do it with lasers. Nobody's doing it with a jigsaw anymore, I don't think. But this is it right here. So let's see what it looks like. I've never even seen one in person, so I don't know what it even looks like. Okay. Yeah, and I don't have like a big enough account where I put a link where I can get credit for you buying it by clicking on it from my YouTube channel or wherever I end up posting it. So I'm not going to do that, but I'll give you all the information you need to find it yourself. So this is it right here. Let's see. Screen went blank. I don't know what I'm looking at. So this is it right here. I might need to flip the video around. So it actually looks a little, doesn't look like there's a whole lot of parts. I guess you don't need a whole lot of parts, but, well, there is parts. So some people, yeah, there's more stuff than I thought. There's some assembly required, and they give you these glasses because you can go blind from it, I guess. I mean, it's a laser cutting through wood, so these okay, so I don't know if I'm going to film the whole thing, me setting up the whole thing. I don't know if that's necessary. I mean, I guess what difference does it make? I might, but pretty sure this is the important part. Don't want to touch any of the circuit boards because you could hurt them. Static electricity. But there were some people online kind of, I don't know, I don't want to say complaining, but talking about how difficult, not this specific one, but other YouTube videos, how difficult they were to put together. So I'm very confident putting stuff together. I've done lots of taking apart and putting stuff back together and fixing stuff in my life, especially with electronics. So I'm probably just gonna film this, but then do like make it look like a time lapse where it's all done. So I'll still film it, but I think any more audio will be just be time lapse. Okay, makes sense, I guess. Okay.
This. 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 I think that's it. So. Where's the go? It's okay. No, it's okay. Screw plates. Knock it off. Where's the go?
Okay, that's it. This plugs in. Right here. This plugs into your computer. And that's it, I think. Okay. So it took, I don't know how long. I'll look at how long the video is. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe longer. It's hard to tell. These little things, these belts, that was an interesting way to do it. They get tightened down with this screw with the washer on it, and they run through the channel, and they're upside down with the teeth down, and they go on that wheel right there. So that's how this thing moves, and there's one on each side. So I don't know if I need to tighten them. There was really no guidance on how tight to make them, but you saw me put it together. This right here is a little rubber protective grommet thing that I'm going to remove once the air pump comes in. There's an air pump that cools the laser when you're cutting. I guess you can etch without the air pump, but cutting takes more, I don't know. I got the extra air pump. So these were interesting at first to figure out, but once you get it, and there's a switch here that tells it it's all the way down. This whole assembly was already put together, and it has the little belt already in it somewhere underneath. So I will make a video. Ortur Laser Master 2S2 with the 10 watt laser. I don't know where this ground wire is supposed to go. This is this was I guess a upgraded laser from the 5 watt, and the square thing was supposed to plug right into the other one, so they made this little pigtail go from square to circle, but that leaves out this little ground wire. I don't really know how this thing works yet, so I don't want to screw it down to something that would hinder it from moving. So once I get it all set up and I try it, I will figure out if I even need to hook the ground wire up. Okay, so that's my little unboxing of a laser engraver cutter for wood and other stuff people do. Yeah, now the camera's turning off while I'm talking. I must have said some word that made it shut off. GoPro, shut off. GoPro, stop recording.